Scott brought his Firebox Freestyle. So we're gonna set up 2 grills and get some water on here for green beans and mashed potatoes.
I got steak.
Avocado oil. Nice, that's a lot of steak.
That's why you guys have to pay so much to come on these rides, because it's expensive.
And I kind of like to flip mine quite often so that so they're more evenly cooked, you know, on the inside. Jewish cups.
Yeah. Awesome, thank you.
Where's Mike? He bailed out. He's going to Logan in the morning. Okay. With his son.
I was just like, wait a minute.
Yeah, he was the first one back and loaded up pretty quick and got out of here.
About ready for some onions. Should I throw some mushrooms in there too?
Sure.
That is warm. Every time I sit down, it's kind of
Throw in a couple chunks of wood.
Flash, Polito.
Nice. I'm gonna get the lid to put on there so that can kind of smooth. Wow. Hopefully those will shrink enough we can work with it. Let me get a different. Yeah, that'll work.
Ethan, see that grill's almost ready. The corner's about to drop in.
Might as well.
Might as well.
Nothing else to do to eat, right?
See if we can move these so those onions don't get too.
Simple spicy.
Ooh, right. Isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Man. I did wash it. I mean, I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to spicy, man.
Good. You can do it by your arm too. Nope.
Sam, you want some mashed potatoes? They're bison ranch mashed potatoes.
Just the right leg, huh?
Oh no, it's both of them, but. Yeah, we didn't do such a good job of getting everything done at the same time, but
It's okay.
beans are done.
Is that pork?
No, it's beef.
Yep. No, she likes that 800.
The idea of Mexico in the winter.
Got that spatula too, if that'll work better for grabbing them.
You get pretty high. Yeah, but it's like up and then down. You know, it's not like the upper elevation like all the time. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Sam's doing it upright.
Do that with a little bit of Chick-fil-A sauce in it.
Ooh, yeah.
All right, Gary.
And I've got butter right there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Look at that. There we go. Because you're the most handsome person here, so I got to get a shot of your face.
Smart advertising.
I think I'm ready to plate up my dinner.
Totally dump off in your.
That plate's nice and warm. Pile of green beans, butter on there,
Remember getting gas there?
onions and mushroom, sautéed.
My wife is a black.
To top it all off, I've got my
Yeah, we need to go back there and
beautiful
go
ribeye
Where
steak.
Lance hit the cow.
Cow hit my bike. I was down before the cow.
Oh, that's right. Come on.
Oh, look at that dinner.
I wish I would have.
Holy smokes. How's that for a plate?
Yeah,
Well, let's try this out.
Yeah, Sam took out a couple ribs.
Oh, perfect. What was that sound? It sounded like a coyote or something.
Maybe?
UFO.
That'd be cool.
UFOs are coming. I was out there right in Nevada and they were pointing out.
What this needs is some Hakata spice.
we rode last red on the property of it.
On the third day, did you? Oh. That'd be a fun place to go out and just camp.
Oh, it's
They still did that new rally down there. It looked like there was tons.
Wow, that is
last
so
one is
good.
like 2 or 3 weeks before the first time we went down there.
Oh, that's awesome.
There's no words.
Yeah, that's just incredible. Nice. Awesome. Look at that. Wow. Poached in beef broth. Ooh, now that's a beautiful breakfast.
How was his buddy?
Never fails to impress.
Holy crap.